Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and today's video I'm gonna show you how we can block and hide all notification on Android phone. Okay, if you want to block notification on your Android phone, you have to activate do not disturb mode on your Android phone. And first of all, we can go to our settings application, and then we're gonna open the notification setting, and here we can activate the do not disturb mode. We can tap on this option and you can click on the circle button to activate it like this. Okay, and now the do not disturb mode on my Android phone has been activated. And just remember guys, when you activate this mode, the call that you get on your Android phone will be blocked as well. But don't worry, because we can still receive the call. You have to allow the calls and messages during the do not disturb mode. You can click on this button, then you can click on the calls option, and here you can allow calls on your Android phone. You can select all calls, contacts only, or favorite contacts only, and I'm going to select all. Okay, and after you activate this exception, you will still get calls on your Android phone, even though you activate the do not disturb mode. Alright guys, and that's how we can block and hide all notification on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.